Did Barack ever come watch you play, or did Trump ever come watch you play? Did you ever see either one of them at the games?
No, I never seen any
Really?
of them at the game.
Neither one of them?
Definitely not. No.
Oh, interesting.
Being Barack was a Chicago guy, he probably watched from a suite or something from that standpoint if he came to the game, but I've never had met him at a game.
Neither him nor Trump.
No.
So Trump never watched the Bulls? He had to have gone to a Bulls game.
I doubt it. you know.
Really?
So he's a New York guy.
Well, if
so
you go
I
to the
think-
Knicks, I mean, that era of you guys going to the Knicks, it would have been
Yeah.
something to want to watch you when you guys were on
I
the
stayed
road.
at a lot of Trump hotels back in my playing days.
Did you ever have Michael Jackson come watch the game, or Prince? Either one of those two.
I think I had Prince. Well, I can't say I think Prince came to a game down in Minnesota, but never seen Michael at a game.
When you came in, who was the first guy to the game where you're like, oh shit, look who's here today?
I was more or less focused on the game, but there were times when, the Reverend Jesse Jackson, who I'd never met, playing in Chicago, would show up and be courtside. Oprah Winfrey, Gene Sisco, who was a very close friend of mine, some movie critic,